Many people know that there's a lot of engineering behind Formula One race cars, but they often focus only on the cars and engines themselves. Today we will talk about how engineers can address the communications antennas on one of these race cars using the three-dimensional electromagnetic solver Altair FEKO. We will assume the race car has already been modeled in another tool, so the first step is to import the geometry of our vehicle. FEKO accepts models from other softwares saved as STEP, Parasolid, and AutoCAD files, as well as many others. Next, we will add the antennas to our model. There are many ways to accomplish this in FEKO, but we can quickly create the devices using the component library. This monopole, among several other models, can be immediately added by simply providing the operating frequency. Since we know where these antennas should go based on our initial design stages, we can easily edit the geometry to move them to their appropriate spots. We must simply define the start and end points of the devices, which is made easier by the automatically created variable defining the antenna's length, which was created from the component library. Now we can define the request for the model to solve. By using the component library, we already have configurations and requests for far-field data. However, we can also create an S-parameter request to analyze the performance of our antennas as one multi-port system on the race car. We can define how to space the measurements in this analysis based on our specific needs. FEKO has a built-in meshing tool that can automatically mesh our geometry. For this electrically large example, we will set the mesh to the coarsest setting. There is more customization available based on specific needs, such as finer localized meshing. Finally, we can set the solver settings. There are a multitude of parameters and solvers available. In this case, we will enable MLFMM for this model. Now, we can run the solver. Once the simulation is complete, we can view our requested results in post-FEKO. Here we can analyze our antenna coupling as well as our reflection coefficients to offer insight to the performance of our design. We can also view any 3D results we simulated, such as the far-field patterns for our antennas. Using Altair FEKO, we can solve just about any high-frequency electromagnetic problem. With this simple example, we have just begun to show what is possible in the world of simulation, but the options are endless once you get the tool in your hands. Make sure to check back here regularly for more content like this, and don't hesitate to reach out to us at trueinsight.io.